What's up everybody? Welcome to the Zuk Fitness studio. Today we're actually just going to be doing a little tutorial video. As a lot of you know, if you follow the videos, I use wrist weights a lot. It's really one of the easiest things for quads to use. So I'm going to show you how I can get them on myself and pretty much what I do to have them set up. So this is some basic 1 pound wrist weights here. And what I like to do is have them looped like this. So I never try to take them fully out because once they come all the way out like this one, they're a lot harder to hold. Like I can't pick this one up with one hand like I can with this one. I can just, scoop my hand in there and pick that guy up. So if it's not looped already, what you're gonna wanna do, or what I do, is get it flat on my lap here, and then I'll roll it so that the buckle is right like that. All right, we'll see if that works. Stretch that out. That's one of my key quad tools. All right, so I'm gonna just fold it, and then I'm just gonna get this into my fingers as best as I can. And honestly, it's just trying to work it through the little loop. Oops. There we go. Once you get it through a little bit, you can feed it through. And now I've got it enough to where I can just fold it over and get it to stick to enough of the Velcro, and it's looped. Perfect. Set up. Now I have both of them ready to go for myself. Now I'll try to show you how I get them on my wrists. I have had a lot of practice doing this, so it might take you a little longer to do that the first time. I've gotten really used to doing things with my hands, and I have wrist weights like this I've been using for years and years, so I've just gotten pretty used to doing it. All right, so what we're gonna do, again, we're gonna have to use some quad tools, the teeth. I'm gonna bite and hold the strap. Then I'm gonna feed it through my wrist. And just basically pull it tight with my teeth and try to fold it in. Like, I do probably make it look a little bit easy. That's just because I have done it hundreds of times. So it might take you a little bit of time and practice to get there. So now I got the one on, we'll go ahead and get the other guy on. And just do the same thing. I'm gonna bite the end of Velcro, get a nice grip, my hand through it, and then just pull with my teeth and push my hand down, and then I can kind of get my wrist twist a little bit. I do have that exterior rotation, and then I can get the strap to hook. And bam, they're good. They're a little bit loose. They'd probably be tighter if I had somebody help me, but they work well enough to get myself a workout in. All right, so once you got the wrist weights on, I'm just gonna give you guys a couple basic workouts that I like to do with these. And to get more, you can check out some of our videos on the Zuk Fitness website. But for right now, these are just a few basic ones that I like to do and what I really started with when I was first starting to do workouts. So I'm gonna just stretch here. So one of the most basic, easy ones is just to drop your arms down to your side and bring them up to your shoulders. So just side shoulder raises. These are a great workout, really good to strengthen your shoulder, your arms, and even your back. And then you can do the same thing towards the front. Now towards the front, I can't do both arms at the same time because I don't have the trunk stability. So I'm basically counterbalancing, if you notice. When I put one arm up, I have the other arm back to counterbalance myself. But this is another good workout. And another thing that could help you is you could put a chest strap on. If you have help also, that would help. That way you don't fall forward. I do have really good balance. And another thing that helps me with this is I have a deep bucket in my chair, which is a lot of dump or drop, they call it. So my butt is a lot lower than my knees, which gives me stability in my chair as a quad. All right, so just a couple other workouts you can do with these. You can even just do some normal curls, either single-handed or both at the same time. And then once you work up a little bit and you really want to start strengthening your shoulders and arms, you can even get up to workouts where you're doing more overhead, like a military press, which this requires a little more balance and stability. So that might not be one of your first ones, but something to work up to. So those are just a few basic workouts for you guys to try and check out. And like I said, if you want to see more, check out the Zuk Fitness website, and we have plenty of workouts, all different levels, and you can start with what you are comfortable with and work your way up. All right, so thank you guys for joining us. Hope you appreciate the tutorial and were able to learn from it, and we'll see you next time at Zuk Fitness.